welcome back. I'm here for a quick Dollar General haul. So I went to the Dollar General market. So it was more like a grocery store, but they didn't have any groceries in stock for some, like the cold food wasn't there. I guess their freezers were down. I don't know, it said out of order. But their dollar, it took me a minute to find it, but their dollar aisle was on the back wall. So I was going to show you guys what I got. This was all $1. I got these Handy Wrap snack bags. New zipper seal, and you get 60 of them. And I got another one of these Home Select hanging moisture absorbers for like our closets or the bathroom. Well, the bathroom might use the bigger one. But these are for like closets. I got some dollar face masks. These are $1, not $1.25 or $1.50. These are by Celavi. Simple Smart Beauty. This one's hyaluronic acid. Plumps and replenishes. Made in Korea. And then I got this one, same brand, Watermelon Hydrates and Refreshes. We all know Korean skincare is like the best ever. And then I got these for my kiddos. These nostalgic, they have the same ones at Dollar Tree. Rudolph, which I just read. Make sure you go and check that video out. I read the original copy of Rudolph. I had to get this, the Sugar Plum Luxury Hand Soap. I have not smelled it yet. Let me smell it. Ooh, that smells good. I like it. So I'll put it out now. And that, what? Rejoice International Core. Very cool. So they had a couple other scents. I think there's a lemon one. These are the ones I use for the bathroom. Yeah. And then I grabbed cat treats, $1 for Clover. These are the Tempting Tuna Flavor Temptations. And then I got, this is, because we're a military family, it's Bella and Fortune Americana Hand Soap Collection Heritage Clean. A refreshing blend of lemon, lime, and a hint of mint. That is really cool. I like it. It smells good. And then I got this, I'm going to smell it. It's by Personal Care, which we all know Dollar Tree has. And it's the Brazilian Orange Roll-On Perfume Oil. And I like the box. Very Cracker Barrel-ish. Smell it though. So it looks like the little roll-on oils you can get on Amazon. Very light, but it's good. It smells like Brazilian orange. And if you're a gourmand lover, you would like this one. Because in the summer, yeah. It's a good one. Okay. And I got the other one. It's a Thai coconut. This just is all one box. And I'm also a coconut lover, so ooh, I like this one. Another stocking stuffer idea if you guys have coconut. Yep. They have a Thai coconut, what was it that I had? Lotion at Dollar Tree. Yeah, it smells just like it. It's the same thing. Ooh, this smells good. If you like coconut, you need to grab this. I wonder if Dollar Tree will actually have these. I know they have the essential oils, but I've never seen the roll-on perfume. Maybe these are newer. Ooh, that smells good. And then I grabbed, oh, here's the other bags I got. These are the Smart and Simple storage bags, 21 quart bags. And then I got 2 books. These were not $1.20 or $1. These were $3. So this one is a New York Times, it doesn't say bestseller. This is a thriller, so I may read this one as well. It's a well-crafted thriller for fans of Megan Abbott. I thought about it for my daughter, but it is a thriller. But it was $3. It's called The Ballerinas by Rachel Kapalk-Dale. And then I got The Vacation House. One Night Will Change Everything by Jane Schmidt. #1 best-selling author of The Daughter. So, yeah. So it takes place in Greece and then 10 years later in England. How much was it originally? I'm curious. It was a $19 book here in the US, $18.99 originally. You won't be able to read that, but yeah, we're gonna possibly read one of these too. You guys let me know if you want more of a thriller next or like another time warping one. That is my haul from Dollar General Market, and I enjoyed it. It was a very clean store. And where was that one? It was the one in Clovis, California. Bullard, I believe. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I want to let you guys know, where's the book? It's under the soap. We started this in book club today in 5 years. I would really like to have you guys. It's a GMA book club book, which is Good Morning America. Super excited about it, and it takes place in New York City. That's why I have this backdrop up. Now, the thing about Dollar General is everything else is higher priced. That I've noticed. Everything else is higher priced. The only deals I really find there are the dollar items, and those are the best you can get. I mean, nothing's 50 cents anymore, you know? So, yeah, we're reading this. And thank you guys for being here. And hello to all my new friends and welcome. I hope you stay and enjoy this. It's a little chaotic, actually very chaotic. And I also have a Dollar Tree, using all Dollar Tree stuff. Bake with me. We're going to do the Snickerdoodles. It's in one of my shorts. And then you can get your pans, all your equipment from Dollar Tree as well. Your oil, everything. I don't even think that takes oil. I don't remember. I think milk and water. But we're going to make those. It's affordable. We'll see if they're edible. But thank you guys again for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you guys make sure you're subscribed, like this video. If there's something that I don't have that you would think I would enjoy at Dollar General, let me know below. And put, if you're new here or haven't replied, put where you're from. And welcome. And I appreciate you guys. I hope you are having a great week. We're almost to Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.